Bonjour! I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making one of our most popular dishes at home, Polynesian pork ribs. The combination of sweet and tangy makes them the perfect grilled recipe to serve at your next backyard party. So let's get cooking. This clip is from my Canadian smoky pork ribs, and this is a step we have to do before we start with the recipe. For tender ribs, we have to remove the membrane, also called silver skin. David and I find that the easiest way to remove it is to use a butter knife and wedge it under the membrane to help loosen it, so we can get our fingers under before pulling it off. That should be easy to do. Then discard it. From here, we'll portion them by cutting about 4 to 5 ribs per serving, depending on the size of the rack. After this is done, the first thing we'll do is to apply our Polynesian rub, which I recently posted, and we won't be shy with it. We'll make sure that all sides are well coated. This is serious flavor we're building right now. Then we'll place one well-coated portion rib, made side down, in the middle of a piece of foil, lightly greased with cooking spray. We'll wrap it tightly, making sure the seam of the foil is up, and then place the packet on a baking sheet. Seam side up, don't forget. And set aside while we wrap the other portions individually. We'll transfer to the fridge for 8 hours, but preferably overnight. Later on, or the next day, we'll place them in a 300-degree preheated oven and bake for 2.5 hours. I show the oven method because not everyone owns a barbecue, but if you do, use exactly the same grilling method than the other rib recipes, and the link for one of them is on the top right corner of your screen. Whether it's the oven or the barbecue, there's always a hotter spot, so we'll simply rotate the baking sheet halfway through cooking. When time is up, we'll remove them from the heat. And by the way, the smell is fabulous. We'll now take them out of the packets. Be careful, guys. It's smoking hot. We'll hold the ribs to allow some excess fat to drip off and transfer them to another baking sheet lined with lightly greased foil. This time, the meat side is up, and we'll discard the packets. We don't need them anymore. Next, we'll generously add my Polynesian barbecue sauce, which the recipe is coming in a couple of days, and brush it on to cover the entire tops and also the sides. We'll return them back to the oven with the rack positioned to the one just below the top, and turn the temperature on low broil, not high, okay? We'll set the timer for 5 minutes, and then we'll rotate the baking sheet for the same reason that I explained earlier. We'll go for another 5 minutes, but we'll keep an eye on them as they can quickly start burning. We'll remove them from the heat, sprinkle on toasted sesame seeds, and serve immediately. And my friends, these are our Polynesian pork ribs. Loaded with flavor, this Hawaiian-style recipe is easy to make and a great choice for your summer barbecue. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!